Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Likan. So today I'll be explaining about the topic of generating responses with OpenAI ChatGPT 3.5 model. So using Gradio for interface creation. So let us first get introduced to OpenAI and Gradio. So OpenAI is a research organization focused on developing artificial intelligence technologies. One of the notable creations is the GPT 3.5 model, which is a state-of-the-art language processing model capable of generating human-like text based on input prompt. Gradio is a Python library that simplifies the process of creating interfaces for machine learning models. It allows users or developers to create interactive web interfaces for their models without requiring expertise in web development. Together, OpenAI and Gradio provide a powerful combination for creating AI-powered applications with natural language processing capabilities. This presentation will demonstrate how to use these tools to generate responses using the ChatGPT 3.5 model. So first of all, let us understand the setting up of OpenAI API. So setting up of OpenAI API. To access OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model, you need to set up an API key. This key is used to authenticate your request and ensure that only authorized users can access the model. It's important to keep your API key secure and confidential as it grants access to powerful AI capabilities. Avoid sharing your API key publicly or committing it to version control systems. The API key is a critical component of interacting with OpenAI services, and it's essential to follow best practices for API key management to prevent unauthorized access and potential misuse. So let's first understand the defining the response generation function. So, defining the response generation function. In this presentation, we use a Python function called generate_response to interact with OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model and generate text-based responses. The generate response function takes a text prompt as input and uses OpenAI's API to generate a response based on the prompt. This function serves as a bridge between our application and the GPT 3.5 model, enabling us to leverage the model's capabilities in a user-friendly manner. We'll dive deeper into the implementation of this function and explore how it interacts with the GPT 3.5 model in the following slide. So now I'm going to hand over the presentation to Nikhil.
Yeah, the next is using OpenAI GPT 3.5 model to generate the responses. We can utilize the OpenAI completions to create the method, which is the part of the OpenAI, like the Python SDK. And the methods that send the request to GPT like 3.5 model that asking a complete a given prompt, and the engine parameters that specifies which version of the GPT 3.5 that the model to use. In the case we use the GPT 3.5 turbo instructor and to access the turbo instructed variant of the model. And the other parameters such as max tokens and the temperature and stop can be adjusted to control the length and the creativity of the generated responses. For the understanding these parameters is to key to find the turbine that the model outputs for the different cases that can run requirements. And the next one is the radio interface creation. Radio syntax that the creation of the interfaces for the machine learning the models by the providing a high level of the APIs that abstract away from the many complexities. And the interface functions is used to create a new interface. And it takes two main arguments that function, which is a function to call it when the interface receives the input and the inputs which specifies the type of the input the interface accepts. And in our case, we can use the here and that text box as the input type, and the following the users to enter the text prompts will be used to generate the responses from the GPT 3.5 model. And the Grigio that automatically handles the creations of the web interfaces that including the input elements and the output displays and the users interactions, making it easy to deploy and use machine learning models in web applications. And the next one is the launching the Gracio interface. The once the Gracio interface has been set up, the using the interface that function, we can launch it using the face.launch of share is equals to true command. And share is equals to true command that arguments that enables the sharing the functionalities, allowing the interface to be accessed by the other via by the web link. And the launching the interfaces opens a web browser windows where the user can interact with the model by entering the accept prompt and viewing the generated responses in a real time. And this step is crucial for the showcasing that the functionality of the model and the gathering the feedback from the users on the performance and the usability. Let's move on to the conclusion of this topic. In this presentation, we have explored the how to use the OpenAI GPT 3.5 model to generate the text based on the responses using the ratio for the interface creation. By leveraging the power of the GPT 3.5, the simplicity of the ratio, we have demonstrated the how developers can create the interactive applications and the natural language processing capabilities. The combining of these tools opening with the wide range of the possibilities for building AI powered applications for the chatbots and to content the generation of tools. We encouraging you to explore the purchase and the experiments with these technologies to create the innovations and innovative solutions that leveraging the capabilities of the AI for the natural language processing. Thank you for watching this video. And here the topic is enhancing healthcare with the leveraging OpenAI GPT 3.5 model and the ratio for improved patent care. And healthcare is a crucial area where the advancement in artificial intelligence have a potential to revolutionize patent care. The presentation explores how the AI technology, particularly OpenAI GPT 3.5 model in the Grezio, can be utilized to enhance the healthcare services and improve the patent outcomes. These tools offer the innovative in solutions for the healthcare professionals for enabling them to streamline the process and make more informed decisions and utilize it and provides the better care of the patients. Importance of the AI in healthcare. AI has emerged a transformative force in healthcare that are offering the wide range of the benefits across the various aspects of the patient's care and healthcare operations. And AI technologies such as machine learning and natural language processing can analyze the vast amounts of the healthcare the data to assist the diagnosis and treatment timing and predicting the patient's outcomes. And AI can also automate the administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments and managing the medical reports and freeing the healthcare professionals to focus more patients' care. And the integrations of the AI in healthcare as a professional to improve the efficiency, then reduce the cost and enhance the overall quality of the care providing the patients. The next is the overview of the OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model. And the OpenAI GPT 3.5 model is a state-of-the-art that natural language processing model that is capable to understand the generating of human-like text. And the model has been trained to vast amount of the text data, that enabling it to generate the coherent and contextually relevant responses to the wide range of the prompts. And in its case, GPT 3.5 can be used and to utilize the record and that medical supports assist that cleaning decisions making and generate the patient's educational materials. And by leveraging the capabilities of GPT 3.5 healthcare that can professionally can improve that accuracy and efficiency of their working leading to better patient outcomes.
So I'll be continuing from here. Gradio for interface creation. Gradio is a Python library that simplifies the process of creating interfaces for AI models, including those used in healthcare. With Gradio, healthcare professionals can easily create user-friendly interfaces for interacting with AI models such as OpenAI GPT 3.5. Gradio abstracts away many complexities of web development, allowing healthcare professionals to focus on leveraging AI capabilities for improving patient healthcare. By using radio, healthcare applications can be quickly developed and deployed, enabling faster integration of AI technology into healthcare workflow. Use cases in healthcare. Patient education. GPT 3.5 can generate patient-friendly explanations of medical conditions and treatment options, improving patient understanding and adherence to treatment plans. Clinical documentation. The model can assist healthcare providers in documenting patient encounters, reducing the time spent on administrative tasks, and improving record-keeping accuracy. Telemedicine services. Chatbots powered by GPT 3.5 can provide triggered support, answer common medical questions, and schedule appointments, enhancing the efficiency of telemedicine services. Medical research. Researchers can use GPT 3.5 to analyze medical literature, generate hypotheses, and assist in data analysis, accelerating the pace of medical research and discovery. Future direction and conclusion. The integration of AI particularly OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model and Gradio in healthcare is poised to bring about significant advancements in patient care and healthcare delivery. Future applications of AI in healthcare include personalized medicine, predictive analytics for early disease detection, and virtual healthcare assistants for remote patient monitoring. As AI continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly important role in transforming healthcare, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes, improved access to care, and more efficient healthcare delivery. By embracing AI technologies, healthcare providers can enhance the quality of care they provide, making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and effective for patients worldwide. So thank you for listening to this video. Welcome.